We are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up NOW stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bearish red doji. Lost a lot of momentum to that downside, so market could be reversing as we walk down the time frame. So price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint. So current price is sitting at 359.75. Price action is a bearish red doji. Lost a lot of momentum to that bottom side, so it could be pulling back for that reversal, as I said before. So there's a few things that could be happening. Price could be working its way sideways in consolidation, or it could be identifying as the second last candle push, price action retest, work its way down further from a pattern, which you identify as a first, second, third, fourth retest and market push down. It's not the same colors, but we can see that that market did identify a head and shoulders pattern in that area. The right side is all bearish, but it still identified that market did spike that high to come back down. Also, is identifying three pushes to that top, which is a triple top of that area. Okay, so if that market is reversing to come back up, market identified as the break, the retest, so that will be identified as the first leg, and we'll start seeing that second, third, fourth leg to start forming for that market to work its way back up. So if price head up to the next level, we are looking for price to head up to at least that second to last candle body and above the price action wick at the price of 432.99. And if price works its way down, we can see price can head down to the bottom of that price action wick near the numbers of 335.66. And if price works its way up from the current price, it can also head up to that midpoint of that overall area of 382.93 before making it up to 432.99. Headed down to the weekly time frame. So price action on the weekly time frame is identifying as a bullish green doji. So it's indecisive, side by side with the second last candle within. So it could be a few things. Market could be coming down from this structure of multiple pushes to that top. There's a first, second, third, fourth retest, market push down. So it's a triple top, retest, market push once, retest, market push twice. This could retest and push down a third time. If not, we can receive an overall reversal of that area. If so, price action has to engulf that second last candle, which will identify the first market breakout, that second, reach that SR line to work its way up for that W formation. Walking down to the daily time frame, price action, daily time frame reading as a bearish red doji. So what happened is that market stopped at that midpoint between those SR lines, so it could be doing a few things. So if that market is pushing down further, we can see that overall first, second, third, fourth, retest one, stopped at the retest and push down. But if we start seeing that break of that midpoint, it could start breaking up, but it could still reverse down if so. But if we start seeing it break out the SR line, so it'll be looking like there's patterns inside, a lot of patterns in here. There's another pattern here. So this identifies the double bottom, first, second, third, fourth, retest with the second last price action candle. If a bullish green candle comes up and breaks out that midpoint, because price action is all just a retest. The market broke that midpoint, came back to retest. If the market follows up, it's coming out up and out of that area. But so far, it's hanging out that midpoint of that area. Walking down to the 45-minute time frame. So 45-minute time frame, price action, bearish red candle. So is in consolidation from trying to break out the previous second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, the last candle in the market, which is that doji. So market breaks out of this area, is working its way up. If not, it can be rejected at that resistance and identify that first, second, third, and work its way down for that double top. So we have to let that market do what it do to see if that market is going to break out of that area of that zone that we just created on a 4-hour time frame. 3-hour time frame identifying the same thing, price action, bearish red doji. Same as with a 2-hour time frame, still hanging out in that zone as a bearish red doji. 1-hour time frame. So we have, these are both dojis, both weak candles. This is a pin down to the bottom, price action. Price action is a pin up to the top. So that's identifying is that price. So if you look for structure, first, second, third, fourth, tagged the top, came back to retest, but still hanging out that midpoint or that low area, low area of that zone. So market has to break either the price action to work its way down further, or the second last candle to work its way down further up. So you're going to see it, if it's going to work its way up, you want to see it clear out the second last candle body and then eventually tag that wick, but at that time it will be at that area of resistance, and then you'll be looking for a break and retest for that market to work its way up further. 45-minute time frame, price action, bearish red candle, lost a lot of momentum to that bottom side, so it could just be tagging for that retest. So it's identifying, market is very gappy, so we're going to fill in the gaps. First, second, third, fourth. So second last candle spiked up to that high of that zone. Price action is a retest. If it follows up with a bullish green candle, you see that double bottom and a retest in that area. 30-minute time frame, still reading the same thing as we walk down. Third to last candle spiked up with a double top. Price action spiked back down, but still pushed up back up near that midpoint. So market just hit around near that midpoint of that area. So we got to wait to see what that market is going to do. So it's pulling back. So it could be respected as a support and market pushes up. But this market has to create some more time to do what it do. Price action on the 15-minute time frame identifies a bullish green doji press up to the top. So it could be a retest. So third and fourth last candle broke through that midpoint. Second last candle like it's trying to retest. Now if it pushes down further, you're looking for the engulfment to the second last candle, and it will be at the bottom of that zone. Markets work its way down. If not, we're looking for that price action to engulf that second last candle to work its way through that midpoint, and it will look something like this: first, second, third, and then have that incline. So if it doesn't come back for a full retest of that midpoint, if it breaks, it will identify as a retest candle. Price action on the 5-minute time frame, side by side with the second last candle. So that's more of a retest, as we said before. Market broke, came back to retest, and just hanging out that midpoint. So we're still looking for price to engulf that second last candle on the 5-minute time frame to push that market up or back down further. So it's consolidation inside consolidation. So this market has to create some more time to figure out that pattern. First, second, third. Now if it pushes up, you'll see it. If not, then you'll see that rejection at the midpoint, because it's identified as a break, a retest, and market could come down. 1-minute time frame, same as well. We can see that market's still trying to work its way up for that first, second, third, and push up for that W formation. So we have price action, high, mid, low. There's a second level low here, but market just broke for that first, second, third, and we can see that W formation trying to form. So market like is working its way back up to that midpoint. Okay guys, very important information. Please study and review. Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout retest strategy. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. NOW Stalk.